All right, so now we're going to take this piece right here, the phone holder, and we're going to put the top and bottom of the phone holder together. So the first thing we need to do is do a slider mate again. We're going to choose the bottom of this, and I know this from experience. That tube right there that I just selected is way shorter than this tube right here. And so what I'm actually going to do is, instead of choosing the bottom of this tube, I'm going to choose the top of this tube. So I'm going to choose that right there. Okay, so right now it's placed in such a way that it's right at the very top of that tube. Now I don't want it to go, well, it's not going to, yeah, I don't want it to go all the way out. So I'm going to do some limits. And my first limit, I need to try this again, 0.5. Yeah, first limit we'll put as 0.5 right there. And then the second limit, we'll put 1.25, check. All right, let's see how that works. So if I slide this, yep. Now notice that because this other piece is not fixed, it moves when I do the slider, but you can see that the slider goes in and out about that far, which is a good amount.